What's up, everybody? It's your boy Blue. I hope y'all having a blessed and a prosperous day today because guess what? I am. But anyways, guys, I ain't gonna keep you guys too long today because with this particular video, I just want to give y'all just a quick tip on how I prep my vehicles prior to paint. So this particular job, this car is not going to bare metal, unfortunately, because this is also a race car, but it's going to be a high quality paint job still. So we're going to still go through and make sure we hit all the little dings and stuff like that and make sure it's real nice. But because I'm not stripping the hood, what I'm doing is I went around all the edges, as you can see, and I feathered it back. Get close. Y'all see? I feathered it back because I don't want too much buildup along the edges. When you get so much buildup along the edges, what happens is when you get to closing this hood and stuff like that, so much buildup, it'll start chipping. So check out perfect example right here. You see this area here, how it chipped. See how the paint chipped? Because of the buildup that's along the edge. You want to make sure you hit all your edges and at least knock them down a couple. You ain't got to take them down to bare metal like I did. At least knock it down a couple layers if you're not going to strip it at least. Because you don't want to have all that build up on top of what's currently built up on there, because once you do, you're closing that gap more and more. And then boom, guess what? You got immediate chipping. But other than that, guys, this bad boy is almost ready. We done hit all the body work, that we needed to take care of. Got one little ding right here. We're gonna take care of that too. But had one little spot right here on the roof. Had to take care of that. That roll cage that was welded in there was kind of a little excessive, if you ask me. But hey, better safe than sorry. And it caused that to pull in. Same thing right there. It caused that to buckle out. So we tapped that down. But other than that, y'all, she pretty much ready. She's pretty much ready. And we're going to get this bad boy in primer. Well, the body, where we're doing the body work, we're getting those areas in primer. The entire vehicle, we will not be putting in primer. Reason being is because there's already a load of, I ain't going to say a load, but a decent amount of paint on this vehicle. As you can see, the blue, the green, and so on and so forth. You all also can see inside of here, it's red. So therefore, that tells you what? The original color is red. But like I said, it's a race car, guys. We're going to just primer, high build these areas where we did the body work, block those areas down. Then we're going to seal the entire vehicle. We're going to seal it, wet sand the sealer after it sits about 24 hours. Then I'm going to lay another nice little wet coat of sealer on it. Then I'm going to follow it up with a base coat, candy pearl, then the clear coat. So as you can tell, there's going to be a decent amount of material on this car after we're finished, but it's still going to look amazing, guys. You still can, once you knock, because we went at it with 180 grit and knocked a lot of that clear coat down. So that's a good thing. We're not piling up on top of whatever existing clear was on there. But we just didn't go beyond this base right here because, like I said, when you start doing that, you start running into all kind of crazy things. And we didn't want to go extremely overboard with the hours on this particular vehicle. And like I said, it will go to shows. It will attend shows, but it's not necessarily, quote unquote, a show car. But it'll be able to sit beside a show car, that's for sure. But like I said, we still got a little bit of sanding left. Got the door jambs done. Almost, except for this here. Got to take the doors off so we can hit up inside of there. Finish the little body work here. Sand all this. Boom, boom. Gonna have these taken out. Same thing with this. That way we can get a nice little clean edge. I hate doing spraying, having tape build, tape line build up. I hate that. But anyways, guys. Y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for this build here. Y'all already know what the color is. If you've been following the Instagram and the Facebook page, you know. If not, please go and drop a follow on our Instagram. It's blue_the_resto_specialist. I know all the underscores is really spaces, but y'all know how Instagram do. But anyways, guys, I'll drop the link in the description anyway. So make sure y'all please tune in on there because y'all already know what time it's about to be anyway. It's almost that time for a giveaway. So make sure y'all keep following the videos, the new videos, because I'm going to be giving out more information on how to enter into this next free paint job giveaway. With that being said, hope y'all have a blessed and a prosperous evening. Y'all got it? Let's get it.